Okay, I have my lining fabric here. This is just a scrap of material that I had. It's about 1/4 yard piece, and I'm going to show you how to cover the shoulder pads. So when you do this, you want to use the fabric on the bias, which means if you're looking at the fabric, you have your selvage edge here. You want to take the corner and pull it down towards you, so it's a 45 degree angle here. This is the true bias. And the reason you want that is so that it will wrap snugly around the pad. So I'm just going to put my pad in here, get an idea of how big the piece has to be. You want to make sure you have enough fabric to cover it with probably 1 inch on each side. So I'm going to cut that. Okay, so this is the wrong side. Let's flip it over to the right side. So essentially, I have my square of fabric and my half moon shaped shoulder pad. I'm going to put the foam inside and make sure that it's snug to the roll of the material. And I'm going to pin it a couple places here so I can see where my edges are. Kind of see where it's going to go here. All right, so when I look at this, I can tell it's about a 1/2 inch shoulder pad. So when I put it in, after I stitch it and put it into the garment, it's going to add about 1/2 inch to that sleeve. I think that'll help the way it fits a lot. So that's my first piece. I'm going to do the same process for my second pad, and then I'll show you how to sew them.